on how clear we are with our prerogatives in terms of national defense. It cannot be clearer than that. Okay. Okay, China's military surpasses in scale and advanced technology. That's a hard fact. Kaya kakampi natin ng Amerika, kaya hindi. Whether we're allied with the Americans or not, we are going to be invaded if war breaks out. If we cannot resolve our issues with China diplomatically, we are in a very dangerous position. Macro capability and financial muscle. Outspending the Philippines 51-1 ratio. Ibig sabihin po, magkagera man, ang kapasidad po ng China to sustain and maintain its military campaign ay napakalakas. Wala po tayo sa kalingkingan ng China. China is a very formidable opponent. Even with allies, its 51-1 ratio is the reality and the truth that we need to consider. Okay. Defense budget from 314 billion, China, Philippines, 6 billion. Napakalaki po ng gap. Kahit nalagyan mo po ng EDCA site ang Pilipinas, wala pa rin po tayong kalaban-laban. Kahit ilang pong Air Force base po lagyan nyo ng F-35, wala po tayong kalaban-laban. They can outspend us, outweapon us, and they can also outnumber us in terms of boots on the ground. Okay? Active personnel is 2.53 million troops. Philippines, 157,000 troops. Hindi ko pa alam kung kasama pa kami dyan. Hindi ko alam kung ma-active duty pa ako dyan. I've no idea if this number includes us, the reservists. Pero parang hindi eh. But I don't know what you're going to do with us. Given our age, we're already nearing 50. Iba sa amin, probably meron ng debilitating age-related sickness. I don't know kung yung mga kabatch ko. Magpakatotoo po tayo. Huwag po tayo magsinungaling sa ating sarili. Let's be true to ourselves.